Have you all received your marks?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
there. You were also trying to sharing me something. Can you
Well,
please share what are
Yes,
you trying to tell me?
yesterday I am able to do till this much, but the behind one is going inside and coming outside again and again.
Maybe this is the in cutting part you have done some mistakes.
No, ma'am, look, I take the hard paper. It just
You
keep
stick it on the hard paper.
huh?
Mm-hmm.
And
You have stick it on the hard paper, no?
yeah,
Very.
whenever I'm putting the both, only one is getting inside, and the other side is not getting inside.
Just try and let me know in the tomorrow's class.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, I
Okay.
am thinking what I'll do, I will put one inside and then put a glue here, so it will like stick on.
Okay. So,
Yesterday, 1 hour
the
I
students,
whole life, 1 hour I did just this. It got
no problem. With the trial and error, you will learn it, how to fold it.
and even I completed it, but when I tried to close it like this, it broke.
It is not going. Maybe you can check some part which you need to stick, or some part which you need to first assemble. So, well, please check it out. Okay. I request to the students, please turn on the camera first. Vivan Balchandani, Meghdad, Khevna, Gunav, Anushka. Again, I will call the name Twisha, Vivan, Meghdad, Gunav. Yes, Gunav is now on.
Ma'am, you can.
Yes, I can see you in the two devices, Twisha. So,
Ma'am, you can see me from another device.
yes. I can see Karnav has joined late. There are few students who are still joining the maths class late. I request them to please join on time and I request them to please sit with the camera on in my class.
Ma'am, sorry, I joined first time. Ma'am.
Karnav, please turn on your camera. Ma'am, where is Karnav?
he's gone to the washroom. He's coming.
Ma'am, please take a note that he has to join the class on time.
Yes, sure, ma'am.
Okay. Yes, Samriddhi, any query?
Yeah, ma'am.
Anushka, yes, very good. Mute your mic, Anushka. Excellent. Yes.
Yeah, ma'am. Actually, here it's showing your camera is off, but you can see me.
Yes, I can see you. Okay. As you all know that I have posted in the classroom that your assessment is coming very soon. Yes. So before starting our regular exercise, every day first we will do the revision of the previous chapters. I will ask the questions in the class. Verbal revision we will do in the classroom and then we proceed to the regular exercise. Okay. So first we are going to do the revision of our chapter number 4, that is parts and wholes. You don't know the chapter 4? What is the name of the chapter 4?
Yes, ma'am.
You all know the syllabus, how many chapters are coming in your assessment?
Yes, ma'am. 4 chapters. 4, 5, 6, 7.
Excellent. 4, 5, 6, 7. So first today I'm going to present my screen. I will ask the few questions from you all verbally. I will call the child name. That child will only answer me. Okay. I have a list of the students. I will call. Please mute yourself. I don't want any type of disturbance in the class. Anna Agarwal. Half of half is the
Ma'am, just a second.
half of half is the same as the fraction. 1 upon 2, 1 upon 4, 2 upon 4 or 3 upon 4.
Ma'am,
Half
1
of
upon
half
4.
is what, first of all tell me.
Ma'am, a quarter.
Quarter. Only Arna will give
Ma'am, it
me
will
the
be
answer.
1/4.
Who is this? Who is giving me this answer?
Ma'am, Arna.
Yeah, Arna. So half of half is quarter, and how we write the fraction for this?
1/4.
Are you all clear for this question? Any
Yes.
doubt?
No, ma'am.
Okay.
No, ma'am.
Half of half is quarter, and it is in the fraction 1/4. We will move to the next question. I will call the child name. That child only will answer me. Jahan Agarwal is there in the class?
Yes, ma'am.
Jahan, which is correct option in the descending order? 1/3, 1/6, 1/2, 1/7. When you arrange these group of fraction in the descending order, so which option is correct? Descending means what? Big to small or small to big, first of all?
Big to small.
Big to small. So which option is the correct option when you are arranging these group of fractions in the ascending order? Other students also be ready. After Jahan Agarwal, if he will not give the answer, I will move to you all. Yes,
Ma'am,
Jahan.
B.
B. Jahan,
Yes.
in the fraction, bigger fraction will be that where the denominator is smaller. Means out of 2 parts, you getting 1. Out of 3 parts, you getting 1. जैसे 3 parts में से आपको 1 मिल रहा है तो उसका part छोटा होता गया. 6 में से 1 मिल रहा है. 6 parts की एक same cake के जिसके you are getting 1 part. So the bigger,
so
the
A.
smaller, yeah. So the smaller the denominator, the bigger the fraction. Right? 2 parts हमने किसी एक केक के किए and you are getting 1. Same cake के 3 किए, you getting 1. So half is greater than the 1/3. Yes or no, students?
Yes, ma'am.
And 1/3 is greater than the 1/6 because 1/6 part is smaller compared to the 1/3. So the
Yeah,
A
ma'am.
option is the correct option. Any doubt till here to any child?
No, ma'am.
No. Very good. We will move to the next question now. If the fraction n/6 means n, there is something, they have not given you what is the value of n, and 2/3 are equivalent. What? Please mute yourself. I will call the child name. That child will unmute and give me the answer. 2/3 are equivalent. What is the value of n? Means n/6 and 2/3 both are the equivalent fraction. So what we can put the value of n here so that will also become similar to 2/3 fraction. I will ask from Khush Ahuja.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, the n will be 2.
If n will be 2 and the denominator will be 6, and if you simplify it, it will become 1/2, 1/3, because 2 and the 2 and 2 3 is 6.
Yeah, ma'am.
I will move to the next child, Khevna.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Tell me the value of n.
The value of n is 2.
Wrong. If you put 2, just now I explained, when you simplify it, 2 ones are 2 and 2 3s are 6 it will be.
Ma'am, can I Rudra Jajaria?
Yes,
Ma'am,
Rudra Jajaria.
Yes, ma'am, the answer will be n is equal to 1.
No, wrong.
Ma'am,
Yes, Priya. Yes, Priya.
Ma'am, n is equal to 4.
N equals to 4. Yes. When you simplify this, n equals to 4 and the denominator is 6 and simplify with the 2. 2 2s are 4 and 2 3s are 6. It will give you the fraction similar to 2/3. Any doubt?
Ma'am, how will be?
Yes, ma'am.
If you keep the value of n as the 4, right? N is 4, means the numerator is 4 and the denominator is 6. And we know how to simplify lowest term करना आता है ना आपको? 2 2s are 4 and 2 3s are 6. Yes or no? Or you forgot all about the complete chapter, students?
Yes.
Ma'am, I can't understand this question.
Divide the numerator and denominator with the same number, you will get. Move to the next. Which two fractions are equivalent? 1/2 and 1/3, 1/2 or 2/4. Which child is saying? Nishika. Yes, Nishika. Which option is correct?
2 and 2/4.
Yes, 1/2 and 2/4 are similar because out of 2 parts, 1 part, that is also half. Out of 4 parts, 2 parts, that is also half. Clear? So 1/2 and the 2/4 are the equivalent fractions. Which fraction is the proper fraction? You all know what is proper fraction?
Yeah, ma'am. Yeah, ma'am.
Ma'am, can I say?
Ma'am, can Ayush say?
Yes, Ayush.
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 Ma'am, it's D, 7/8.
Yes, Samriddhi, is he correct?
Yes, ma'am is correct.
Because proper fraction is the fraction which is compulsory proper. Means यहाँ से 21 में से तो 5 possible नहीं है. 7 out of 23 is also not possible. Out of 7, 8 also not possible. So this is the proper fraction. From 8 portions, 7 portions are easily. It's correct, students?
Yes,
Can
ma'am.
we move to the next? How many 1/4 will make 2? Dhyan Dalal. How many 1/4 will make 2? कितने 1/4?
Ma'am, 2 1/4 will make a whole.
2 1/4 make a whole.
No. 8. Sorry, 8. Sorry.
Ma'am, yes.
Yes, 8 1/4 make a whole. 2 1/4 make a half. 4 1/4 make a 1. 2 full. So 8 1/4 make a full.
Ma'am, 2 means 2 holes.
How many 1/4 will make 2 holes? Yes, 2 holes. So 8 1/4 will make the 2 holes. Which fraction is greater? 3/8, 2/8, 7/8, or the 4/8?
Ma'am, yes, can I?
Ma'am, Trisha can say
Yes, Tisha.
2/8.
Which fraction is greater?
Ma'am.
Hmm.
Ma'am, can I?
Ma'am, can
Out
yes.
of the 8 parts, you getting 2 parts. Out of the 8 parts, you getting 3 parts.
Ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, ma'am, the answer
Ma'am,
will
can I
be
say?
8/7.
7/8.
7/8.
7/8.
Fill the right option for 25/30 when you do it to the lowest term. The denominator is 6. So what will be the numerator? Samriddhi.
Yeah, ma'am.
Ma'am, I can't have not answered. Ma'am,
I will call your name.
Ma'am,
Karnav, yes, give me the answer.
Ma'am, it will be.
Ma'am, the answer is 5.
Yes, answer will be 5.
Yeah, ma'am.
Mute yourself, please.
Ma'am, how the answer will be 5?
Because
See?
the table, the 25 table is
25, yeah, 5 5
5
are 25, 5
25.
6 are 30. So 6 is already there. You need to write the 5 here.
Yes.
1/5 of 10 meter is. What is the 1/5 of 10?
Ma'am, can Ayush say?
Yes, Ayush.
Ma'am, it will be option C, also called as 2.
2, yes. Now next question is Ravish exercised for 3/6 of an hour while Rohit exercised 3/4 of an hour. Who exercised for a longer time?
Ma'am, I can say
3/6 of an hour. Hour ka?
Ma'am, can yes say yes?
Yes, yes.
I also Ma'am, 3
Ma'am, can I
upon
see?
ma'am, 3 upon 4. 3 upon
Okay.
4 1.
Let-
Rohit.
Let,
Rohit.
let's check how you have checked, students.
Ma'am, 3 upon 6.
Mm,
Ma'am, Rohit.
Rohit, yes. So now we move to the next. We stop our revision here. Now we start our. Okay. Just a minute. Okay, students, now open your textbook. Open the page, our new chapter, which is boxes and sketches.
Ma'am,
As I
C.
told you. Yes, very good. Rahil is showing us. Rahil, show us, please. You have made the box. Very good. Excellent. Let me take the attendance. Very good. So everyone can take the box in your hand and can
Ma'am,
show
page
me all
number.
together.
Yes, ma'am.
Wait a minute. Page number 126.
Ma'am.
Ma'am,
Everyone,
I send the cube only, na.
you have to send this picture.
Find the box
And I keep it in box. I keep it in chocolate.
Okay. So yesterday,
Ma'am,
children.
see.
Okay, I have seen Yash, Kush, Ayush, Trisha, Anushka, Rudra, Jajaria. Very good students. Yes, she is also showing Hevna. Good students. So yesterday we have learned how to make a box, complete box, right? With the close and open that you have learned yesterday, the complete cube box. Yash, mute yourself, please. Now today we are going to learn. Megdad, you have not done the activity? Megdad, you have not done the activity, bacha? Megdad, I request you to please participate in the class. Nowadays, there is zero participation in the class.
Ma'am, I also know today I will make a box and the 11 box also which
So
tomorrow.
yesterday we have done about the how to make the close box. Now open the page number 128. Today we are going to learn how to make the open box. Yesterday Ayush was showing us, Nam, it is not the Ayush, you were showing us one box, right? And you had asked that it is not, ma'am, it is not the net of, I am not understanding how will be the net. Can you show us the
Ma'am,
same box
look.
today also?
got it. I got it.
Yeah.
Ma'am, look, I made it.
Yes.
Ma'am, where is that page number that there was the net of the shape and we have to make it on the textbook?
Yes.
Ma'am, she has made it.
128 page number you have to open. Yes,
And
Ayush, yes, Desai. Everyone pin, yes, Desai, he is showing us the open box also. Okay. I am going to very good, yes, Desai. So children, as we have already learned, the closed box is having how many faces?
6.
6. So if we remove the one,
Ma'am, I made the close box also.
Asking that yesterday, you said that on this page number there is a net and you have to make a box out of it. So, what's the page number of
it is
201?
it is posted in the classroom also, the page number, and it is 201. So,
Ma'am,
yes.
ma'am, I made the close box also.
Yes, very good. So now mute yourself, please, everyone. Yeah. Yesterday we have learned about the close. Akhush Ahuja, please put this aside. Okay. Now, yesterday we have learned about the close box. Twisha, very good. Now, today we are going to learn about the open box. I'm going to show you the video. Just let me know whether the video is visible to you all now or not. No talk in
Let
between.
me know.
Now, listen first.
Shapes for an open box. Remember the puzzles with 5 squares in chapter 3? You saw 12 different shapes made with 5 squares in it. If you cut those shapes and fold them, some of those will fold into an open box, that is, box without a top. For example, we can make open box with this. And with this shape, can we make an open box? Can we make an open box with this? No, we cannot. Also with this shape, we cannot make open box. Find out which of the other 8 shapes can be folded to make an open box. Let us try one by one.
Ma'am, the last one will also be.
Yes, with these we can make an open box. You can try more shapes which will not fold to make an open box.
Ma'am, the last one cannot be the.
Yes, with these we can.
So the students, these are the nets with which you can make the open box. Now let me complete, then ask your queries. Let me complete, Rudra Jajaria, then I will give you the answer. So here are on the page number 128. I can make an open box with both of these, but with these I cannot make the open box. There is a girl standing on the page number 128 and she is saying with the another, the plus sign side, she is saying, pointing to that side, she is saying, I can make the boxes with these nets. Kush, Ahuja, sit at one place, I request you. And the another side she is pointing out and she is saying, I cannot make the open box with the given nets. And if you have remember that net of an open box we have learned in the last chapter also, right? In that chapter we have chapter number 3, I think chapter number 3, page number 46. Page number 46, there you have made the, there are 12 different ways of given to how to mark it and make the open box. If you see the page number 46, there is given, there are given 12 shapes through which you can make the open box. So I'm going to send you this video also in the classroom today. You also try any of the net and show us the open box tomorrow in the class. Now I am find out which of the other 8 shapes on page 46 can be folded to make an box. So these are the other 8 shapes which you can show and you can make the boxes with the other 8 shapes. Now draw more shape which will not fold to make an open box. So that is also there in the video, the other shapes through which you cannot make the open box. I will answer your queries once I complete. Yes, lower down your hand. I know the child who's want to ask. First, let me complete, then ask your queries. Now, next is the given boxes and boxes. All boxes are not cubes. So sometimes we get the different type of boxes also. Some in cylindrical shape, cone shape, not only in cube and cuboid. So there are the some nets given down in there and the images also given. So can you tell me which is the image for the this one? The first picture, it's in the shape of a pencil. Can you tell me which?
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, this image of the
net,
second one.
The net is the
second one.
Second one. Very good. and the second picture is in the form of a cone. So can you tell me which is the net of that cone?
Ma'am, first one.
No.
Ma'am, last one.
Last one. Yes, last one is the, can you trace it with the pencil and mark their nets, please, students? And the third picture is in the form of a pyramid. So that is called what? Triangular pyramid. And which is the net of that third picture, triangular pyramid?
Ma'am, first one.
First one. Because when you open triangular pyramid, it is the flat, it is in the square shape from the bottom. So when you open it, it will give you the triangle faces also and the square face in the center, which is the base. So first one is the net of the third picture. And then comes the cylinder. And which is the net of the cylindrical shape, students?
Third one.
Third one. When you fold the page, simple, if you want to find the cylindrical shape, when this square paper also, when you fold it, you will get the cylindrical shape. I will also show you here in the class. When you fold this, simply this is the flat page, and when you fold it, you will get the cylindrical shape. And when you open it, you will get the flat face like this. Got it, everyone? Yeah, this is clear. Now please start asking the questions. Rudra Chachadia, please ask.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, the boxes which are open from one side, they are called open cubes.
Open cubes, yes. And mainly it is open from the top. Okay?
Okay.
Yes, next child. Who wants to ask the question? Yes, this side.
Ma'am, I made the last one as my half cube.
Okay. Yes, Freya.
Ma'am,
Freya,
we have
ask
to
your
make
query.
this open
Ma'am, I
box.
don't have doubt.
Okay. Yes, Ayush, ask your query.
Ma'am, we have to make this.
Ma'am, I don't have a doubt.
Okay. Please lower down your hands if children don't have a doubt. Yes, you want to ask something else?
Ma'am, I want to ask.
Trisha, I will come on that point also. Okay. Now there are no doubt. Doubt session is over. Now take out paper the way you have done yesterday. Take out paper. Or take out A4 size paper. Cut the squares like this. Make a net like this and make the open cube. Anyone. Try right now in the class.
Okay.
I'm presenting here on my screen. There are 8 different nets of an open cube. You can try any one and start drawing. Make the net of an open cube. Yes, is there.
Ma'am, I still didn't understood this about open box.
Open box is having 5 faces.
Okay.
Yeah, and it is having 5 faces. And please note the net of the open box, or it is the closed box. There should be the 2 sides should come, one on the left and the other. एक ही line में अगर आप बना लोगे all the squares, you will not get the box.
So, ma'am, we have to make this and we have to make a
Open box. Yes, this is the net of an open box.
Okay, ma'am.
Please, Shriya, I also request you take, if you don't have A4 size paper, you can take this max square paper. There you will not need the measurement also. The perfect squares are there. You can just only simply cut the squares and you will get the small cube. Yes, I can see Twisha has started doing something. Yes, Twisha.
Ma'am, we have to make like yesterday, big one or small one?
A big one or small one, any of your choice. Because yesterday I have observed that you were facing the difficulty of drawing in the proper scale. So I request you, if you have a math square notebook, there you no need to take the measurement. One square as the one square showing here, you can make the small cube also and show it to me. Okay, got it? I'm going to send both the videos in the classroom, yesterday's videos and today's video also. So you can try the closed box and the open cube box with the given nets and paste it in the activity folder. Okay, and today I'm going to send you the worksheet based on the nets. This worksheet I'm going to send you. Wait a minute,
So,
I'm going
ma'am,
to
in that
show you.
worksheet, we have to circle or uh, tick the net which is possible to fold.
Either take it, either circle it, or you can match it. It will be given in the matching. Students, I will write the names of the students, those who are leaving the class. I am writing the names of the students, those who are leaving the class. Mic is on. Yes.
I need an open box.
Very good. Show me. Let me pin you. Yes. Can you show us? Very nice.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
But how do I stick it? How do I stick it?
Stick it with the.
Done with sticking, ma'am.
Yeah. Let me pin.
Ma'am, I'm done with sticking
Let
it.
me pin you, Anushka.
Ma'am.
Very nice.
Ma'am Rudra.
Yes, Rudra, I'm pinning you. Very good. Rudra, stick it also.
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am,
Ma'am, I am having tape over here.
Yes, Anushka.
is it visible?
Yes, yes.
Ma'am, see.
Yes, Rahil, show me. Very good. Stick it also.
See mine?
Yes, Anya, let me show. Oh, see, yes. Can you fold it into the form of an open cube?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you demonstrate us how you are going to fold
Ma'am?
it? Keep it in that way only, no flat surface, so that it will be visible to us properly. Yes. Now fold.
Ma'am, see, I do it.
Okay, I will pin you. Wait. Yes. Now fold it, Pita. Cut it and fold it. Yes.
Cutting.
Yes.
Ma'am, see, I have stick it.
Anya is also showing us.
Ma'am, I
Yes,
had
Anya.
stick it.
Very good. Anya, if you have some things for the stick, you can stick it also.
See,
Ma'am,
ma'am.
Okay, Pin, Khevna.
Ma'am, I had stick with the tape.
Okay,
yes,
Khevna, are
ma'am.
you ready?
Yes, ma'am. I glued it. See, ma'am.
Wait. Okay, show me Khevna properly.
Ma'am, look, it is the small open box. It's a open box only.
No problem, it's too
It's
small, but you have learned how to, the grid will be the same whether it is a small or a big.
Ma'am,
Just only the big. Yes, Khevna.
it is an open box.
Okay, but stick it properly and show it to me in the next class.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay.
See, ma'am.
Okay, students. Yeah, Samriddhi is also showing. Thank you, students. I'm going to send this also in the classroom. Thank you for today's class. And I'm going to send you the worksheet also based on the
Bye,
different types
ma'am.
of different shape. Thank you.
Ma'am.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye bye.